Sorry about that. So close, but the thing only gives me 1 hour. Okay, so his theoretical astronomy is the thing that made him worldwide known. And what he said was that that was actually one of the loves of his life, and he wasn't sure which way he was going to go. He ends up doing math because of the 17 gone, but he still always watches astronomy, and of course later in his life he becomes the director of the observatory, so astronomy is a big thing for him. What happened is that there was they called it a minor planet, which for us would be like modern day, we would call that a planetoid or an asteroid or something like that. But there was a minor planet that was discovered, seen in the sky, and it was called Ceres, C-E-R-E-S. And the guy that discovered it and was watching it, he kept track of it and its orbit. There was data kept about its orbit. Its orbit for 41 days. It was about 9 degrees of the orbit, and we know that the orbit would go 360 degrees, right? So this is not very much data, okay? And then what happened was they just started collecting all this data, 41 days worth of it, and basically it disappears because it passes by the sun. Okay? And they can't find it, and they're looking for it. And they want to know, when are we going to see it again? When is it going to come out from behind the sun? Where will we look in the night sky to find it? And they're looking high and low for it, and nobody knows where to find it. And so, just for funsies, apparently, Gauss sees that there's this problem that's emerged, and he's interested in it. So he does some calculations, some accurate calculations. And this is not much data because we only have about 9% of the orbit, but he predicts where they will see it. At the end of the year. And sure enough, at the end of the year, it is actually spotted very close. Not exactly where he predicted, but very close to where he predicted. They're able to pick up its trail again and start following its orbit again. So he's really, 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 really close on this. Whenever it comes back up, it follows his prediction, which is nice. And this actually gets him worldwide fame. Yay. Okay. So there's a lot of other stuff about Gauss. He's really cool. He's called the Prince of Mathematics, the greatest mathematician of the modern day. He actually advanced lots of different fields of mathematics, and I think that's why he gets those names. And that's it for him. So sorry, that's an extra 3 minutes that wouldn't fit on that other video.